Welcome to another lesson that is part of the TI-30XPlus MathPrint student course. In this lesson, we will be covering some calculations with index numbers. The following calculations show how calculations involving powers are completed. First example, 5 squared plus 2 to the 4. The second example, 10 to the minus 2. Note the use of the negative key rather than the subtraction key. The answer is 1 over 100. As a third example, first type the number 3 and then note if you press second and the fraction bar key, you will get the reciprocal function. So 3 will become 1/3. Let's see how fractions work in exponential calculations. First of all, in classic mode, 1/3 to the power of 1/2. The calculation is completed, but is given in a decimal format. If you press the answer toggle key, the calculator cannot establish the equivalent fraction. So let's try the same calculation again, this time using MathPrint mode. Open brackets. Let's put in the third, close the brackets and raise this to another fraction. So we have the same answer, however we've got a more exact form of it. And this is because MathPrint mode enables a more exact form of the output. And that's it for this lesson. Thank you.